Today we will study about NCERT exemplar problems. Chapter number 1, food, where does it come from? First question is, given below are the names of some animals. First is goat, second is human beings, and third is cockroach, and fourth is eagle. Which of the above animal form a pair of omnivores? So these are four animals. You have to find omnivorous animal. And what do you mean by omnivorous animal? Animal which eat both plant and flesh of other animal are called omnivorous. So out of these four animals, which animal eat both flesh as well as plant products? So goat. So there is a goat. Goat eats only plant products. So this is not omnivorous. Human beings. Human beings eat both flesh as well as plant. So human being is omnivorous. And cockroach. Cockroach also eat both, and eagle eat both. Eagle eat only flesh of other animal. So eagle is carnivorous and goat is herbivorous. So what are the omnivorous pair? Human beings and cockroach. So second and third is the right answer. And in the fourth option, which is the second and third, B. So B is the correct answer. So again, I am repeating. What do you mean by herbivorous animal? Animal which eat only plants are called the animal which eat only plants are called are the animal which eat only plants are called herbivorous, and the animal which eat only flesh of other animal are called carnivorous, and the animal which eat both plant as well as flesh of other animal are called omnivorous. So human being and cockroach are example of omnivorous. Next is honeybee makes honey from dash. Pollen, petals, nectar, bud. Honeybee makes honey from dash. So how honeybee makes honey? Polar, either petals, either nectar, either bud. So honeybee makes honey from the nectar. So nectar is the correct answer. How do they obtain honey? How honeybee make honey? They collect nectar from the flowers and and carry into the bees, and then these all converted into the honey, and so honeybee makes honey from the nectar. And where nectar is present? Nectar is present in the flowers. So nectar is present in the flowers. So honeybee takes the nectar from the flowers, and honeybee take the nectar from the flowers and carry it to their bees and convert into the honey and store it as a food. How honeybee makes honey? So honeybee takes the nectar from the flowers and carry it to the bees and convert into the honey and store it as a food. So how honeybee makes honey? Honeybee makes honey from the nectar of the flowers. So how honeybees make the honey? It takes nectar from the flower and converts into the whole honey. So nectar is the right answer. Below are the names of some animals: cow, sheep, horse, and ox. Which of above are sources of milk for human beings? So these are the names of animals. You have to find which of the above are source of milk. So you have to find the source of milk for the human beings. There is option cow, sheep, horse, and ox. You have to find The source, which of the above are source of milk for human beings? So cow is, there is an animal cow, there is an animal sheep, and then is horse and ox. You have to find which of the above are source of milk for human beings, from which we can obtain milk. So cow and sheep are also cow and sheep. From these animal we can get milk. So cow and sheep is the right answer. So cow and sheep are the names of animal from which we can obtain milk. So cow and sheep are animals from which we can obtain milk. So these from horse. And what is the purpose of horse and ox? Horse and ox are used in the transport. So from cow and sheep we can obtain milk. And next is given below is a list of edible plants. First is banana, and then is pumpkin, and then ladyfinger, and then brinjal. Which pair of plants has two or more edible parts? So this is a list of edible plants: banana, pumpkin, ladyfinger, brinjal. You have to find which pair of plants have two or more edible parts. So this is the list of edible plants: banana, pumpkin, ladyfinger, and brinjal. You have to find which plant has two or more edible parts. And what do you mean by edible? What do you mean by edible parts? What do you mean by edible? The the plants, the eatable parts of the plant are called edible. The eatable parts of the plant are called edible. So given below is a list of edible plants: banana, pumpkin, ladyfinger, and brinjal. You have to find which plant has two or more edible parts. As we know, banana has three edible parts. First is fruit, and second is flower, and third is stem. And pumpkin has two edible parts. For example, flower and fruit. And next is ladyfinger and brinjal. Only the one part is eatable. So in banana, three parts are eatable, and in the pumpkin, there are two parts eatable. So this is a list of edible plants. You have to find which has two or more edible parts. So banana has three edible parts and pumpkin has two edible parts. So banana and pumpkin is the right answer. Next is the part of banana plant not used as food. As we discussed in question number 4, the part of banana plant not used as food. So there are four options: flower, fruit, stem, and root. So which part is not used as food? As we know, fruit is also used as food, and stem is also used as food, and flower is also used as food, but the root of banana plant is not used as food. So next is question number 6. Read each set of the items and identify the or set. This is the cow, milk and butter, and hen, meat and egg, goat milk and meat, and plant, vegetable, and buttermilk. So these is a set of terms. You have to find the or set. You have to find the or set. Which set is different from the another? As in the case option 1, cow, milk, and butter. This is all similar: cow, milk and butter. And hen, meat, and egg is also similar. These are also obtained from the animals. And the goat, milk, and meat is also similar. But plant, vegetable and buttermilk is very different. Why it is different? Because we obtain buttermilk from the animal, and vegetable is a plant part. So this is a plant part and this is the animal product. So this is different from another. So D option is the right answer. D option is the right answer. Next question is, read the clues and fill up the blanks given each of them. First is honeybees suck from flowers and dash dash tr, nectar. So nectar is the right answer. Honeybees suck from flowers. From which honeybee suck flowers? Nectar. And it is present in the flowers. Next is animal which eat another animal. So this is the carnivorous. This is the carnivorous. And next is animal which eat only plant and plant products. Herbivorous. So herbivorous is the right answer. Animal which eat both plants and animals. And omnivorous is the right answer. Honeybees suck from the flowers, nectar. And animal which eat another animal is carnivorous. And animal which eat only plant and plant products are called herbivorous. And animal which eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Next is, why do boiled seed fail to sprout? As we know, why do boiled seed fail to sprout? After boiling, seeds lose their tendency to grow. They are basically dead. That's why they fail to sprout. Why do boiled seeds fail to sprout? जो हमारे boiled seeds होते हैं उसके sprouts क्यों नहीं बनते? Because when we boil the seeds, then seeds does not grow into the sprout because they lose power to grow, and so boiled seeds does not grow into the sprout. जब हम सीड्स को बॉईल करते हैं तो जो बॉइलिंग सीड है उसके स्प्राउट नहीं बन पाते, वो डेड हो जाते हैं आफ्टर बॉइलिंग. So the boiled seeds fail to sprout. So why do boiled seeds fail to sprout? Because if we boil seeds, and then they lose their tendency to grow and they are failed to sprout. Next is, where do bees store honey? Where do bees store honey? Bees is the home of bees. That is the place where they store honey. So where do bees store honey? So as we know, bee make honey with the help of nectar, and it is present in the bees. So bees is the home of bees. So that is the place where where they can store honey. So where do bees store honey? In the bees. In the bees, they can store honey. This is the place where bees lives. Bee is the place where bees live. So they store honey in the bees. Next is, name two ingredient in the food that are not obtained from plants or animal. Mention one source of each ingredient. You have to name two ingredients in our food that are not obtained from plants or animals, and you have to find one source for each ingredient. You have to name two ingredients in our food and that are not obtained from plants or animals, and you have to mention one source for each ingredient. And what are the two ingredients in our food that are not obtained from plants and animals? So the salt and water are two sources that are not obtained from plants or animals. सिर्फ दो ही सोर्स हैं, सोल्ट और वाटर, जो हमें प्लांट और एनिमल से नहीं मिलते. तो सोल्ट हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? सी वाटर से। एंड वाटर कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? टैप से, रेन से, ट्यूबवेल से और वेल से। सो दो सोर्स है हमारे पास इंग्रेडिएंट्स के, एक सोल्ट जो हमें रॉक और सी वाटर से मिलता है, और वाटर से हमें ट्रेन और ट्यूबवेल और वेल से हमें वाटर मिलता है। So these are two ingredients in our food. Next is given below are jumbled word which are the names of parts of plant and rearrange them to get the correct words. So this is the jumbled words Lilchi. So correct answer is chili. So chili is the correct answer. ITRUF. Fruit is the right answer. And next is CEANBOYA. Soybean is the right answer. Next is Gursa. So sugar is the right answer. Next is groundnut. Groundnut is the right answer. So this is the table. You have to find which animal is carnivorous and you have to find which animal is herbivorous, and which you have to find which animals are omnivorous animals. So this is the table TACOW cow. For example, cow, circle the cow, and this is the herbivorous animal. So this is the herbivorous animal. And next is A-A-N-T. So A-N-T, ant. Ant is a which type of animal? Omnivorous animal. So ant is a omnivorous animal. In the last line, Human. Human. Human is a omnivorous animal. Human is a omnivorous animal. So next in the last row, Frog. Frog. And frog is a carnivorous animal. So Frog, frog. Frog is a carnivorous animal. And in the third row, in the third row, Lion, lion. Lion is a carnivorous animal. Lion is a carnivorous animal. And in the third column, Crow. Crow. Crow is the omnivorous animal. So crow is the omnivorous animal. And in the last third row, third column, GOAT, goat. Goat is a herbivorous animal. So you have to find all herbivorous animal and carnivorous animal and omnivorous animal from the following table. Next is, why should we avoid wastage of food? हमें जो है फूड की वेस्टेज क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए? बिकॉज हमारे पास पहले ही जो है इतना फूड अवेलेबल नहीं होता, और जो पुअर पीपल होते हैं वो अपना फूड अपने आप अवेलेबल नहीं करा पाते। तो इसी वजह से जो वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए, ताकि जो है फूड सभी को मिल सके। सो देयर आर टू रीजन व्हाई शुड वी अवॉइड वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड, बिकॉज देयर इज नो प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड फॉर एवरीवन। हमारे पास इतना फूड नहीं है कि हर किसी के लिए अवेलेबल हो। सो नेक्स्ट इज बिकॉज फूड इज वेरी कॉस्टली एंड सो पुअर पीपल कैन नॉट afford it. Food is very costly and poor people cannot afford it. So next is, why do organisms need food? Right, two answers. Right, two reasons. All the organism need food. Why do organism need food? Why do we need food? Because food gives us energy, and food help us to grow better and healthier, and food has vitamins and minerals that prevent us from catching many diseases. So uh, why do the organism need food? Because food gives us energy, and food help us to grow better and healthier, and food has vitamins and minerals that prevent us from catching many diseases. So why do organisms need food? Because food gives us energy and food help us to grow better and healthier. And food has vitamins and minerals that prevent us from catching many diseases. So why we need food? Because food gives us energy to do work, and because of food, growth of our body is due to the our food. And vitamins and mineral present in the food gives us power to prevent many diseases. So this is a question number 15. Match the organism given in the column 1 with the column 2, and that is used by human beings as food. So this is the table. You have to find which organism match with the second column. So this is the mustard. The first is second is goat. So goat is meat. It cannot be meat. And goat is fruit and vegetable. It cannot be fruit and vegetable. Goat is seed. Cannot be seed. And direction of airflow, it cannot be airflow. So this question is the wrong answer. You don't हमें ये question नहीं करना है. Question number 15 is a wrong question. So next is label the color and the different parts of the plant given below in figure 1.2. So in the A part there is a petal. So this is the flower. So A is flower and B is bud. B is bud and C is leaf and D is stem. So in the above, A is a flower and B is flower bud and C is leaf and D is stem. So next is long question answer. Read the names of animals written in the inner ring of the figure. Within the second ring, write the name of the food they eat and category to which they belong. One example has been worked for you. So this is a circle. Suppose a loin. Loin is a carnivorous. So in the loin, in the first row, you have to write carnivorous. And what the animal he eat? Other animal and the flesh of other animals. So lion is a carnivorous. And what is a crow? Crow is omnivorous. Crow is omnivorous. And elephant is a herbivorous. And crocodile is carnivorous. And eagle is carnivorous. And goat is herbivorous. So this is the table. This is a circle you have to complete. First is carnivorous. Carnivorous eat other animals and omnivorous eat small insects, meat and cereals. And what does herbivorous eat? What does elephant eat? Seeds, fruits, leaves. And what does crocodile eat? Crocodile eat fish, other animal. And what does eagle eat? Small birds, small animals, and other birds. So what does eagle eat? Small animals and other birds. And what does goat eat? Grass, leaves, and small plants. So what does goat eat? Grass, leaves, and small plants. So this is the herbivorous. And what do we mean by carnivorous? Dew and flesh of other animals and other animals he eat. So lion is a carnivorous and crow is omnivorous and elephant is herbivorous and crocodile is carnivorous and eagle is carnivorous and goat is herbivorous. So you have to complete this circle and you have to write what they eat. Suppose crow is the omnivorous, then he eats small insect He eat also meat, and he eats also cereals. And what does elephant eat? He eats seeds and flowers and fruits. And what does crocodile eat? Fish, other animals. So this is a circle you have to write. Next is connect the animal with the food it is eats by the arrow using different colors in the figure. One is done for you. Suppose buffalo eats grass, and you have to complete all these table. And what does the lion eat? And what does the snake eat? And what does the goat eat? So you have to complete this circle. For example, lion is matched with the goat, and snake is matched with the lizard, and rat snake is also matched with the rat, and rat is also matched with the grain. So you have to connect the animal with the food it eats. So you have to connect the animal with the food. For example, buffalo animal eat grass. And suppose lion animal eat goat. And what does the lizard eat? Lizard eat insects. So lizard eats insects. And what does the lizard eat? Lizard eats spider. So spider eats insects. And rat eats grain. Rat eats grain. Goat eats grass. Snake eats rat. So you have to connect the animal with the food. You have to connect animal name with the food which he eats. Next is the list what two of your favorite item and mention their ingredients. You have to write only two items and what are the ingredients. Suppose we are taking boiled rice. So rice and water are two ingredients. So rice and water are two ingredients, so boiled rice. Rice and water are two ingredients, so boiled rice. And what are another ingredients? Chicken. For example, when we make chicken curry, then the spices, ghee, and onion and salad. These are the all ingredients of chicken curry. So these are ingredients of chicken curry. So this is the two items you have written: chicken meat and pudding, and what they are their ingredients. You can write any two items and their ingredients. So you can write any two items and their ingredients. So this is a favorite food item, and these are their ingredients. So these are the animals with the food it is, and you have to complete this table. And any query regarding this chapter? Any query regarding these example problems? Any query regarding this problem? Shruti, Aham, Anshrana, Arpit, Bhavya. Any query regarding this chapter? Any query regarding this chapter? You have to write question answer exemplar questions and also answer in your own language. Any query regarding this chapter? Akash sir, please students को unmute करो. Akash